As we already know, high quality prompt equal high quality results. Without waiting any longer, let's see how you can activate
the gold mode when it comes to prompting and getting amazing results.
In this video, we are going to train Chat GPT itself to help us create the best prompt possible for anything we need. Let's dive into it. So here what the prompt looks like. You, Chat GPT, will be my prompt engineer. Your goal is to make the best possible prompt that fits my needs. Here's the process I want you to follow. First, the first output you give me will ask what the prompt will be about with some questions to get us on the right track. I will provide you with the answer, but we will need to improve it through continual iterations by going through the next step. Second, following my answer, I want you to process it in two ways. A. Revised prompt. Provide rewritten prompt. It should be compelling, concise, easily understood by you. B. Questions. Ask any relevant question that will allow you have more precise information I can provide you. This means that we are asking ChatGPT to create two sections in his answers. So the first section will be a prompt proposition. The second section will be questions in order to gain more information, in order to reiterate the prompt proposition each time and to make it better. And three, we are saying we will keep going with this iterative process with me providing you additional information and you updating the prompt in the revised prompt section until I say we are done. Guys, you can copy the same prompt from the pinned comment here below the video. And don't forget to leave a like so I can keep track on how many people are going to use this same prompt. Okay, so now let's see how it works. So ChatGPT is asking me to give him information about what my prompt is. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to take a specific example, which is how to get better marketing for my Etsy shop. Okay guys, so here is Etsy shop about zodiac signs, art frames. I want you to create a prompt to help me develop a marketing strategy for my Etsy shop. So here what we were talking about. So this is the section of revised prompt and these are the questions he's going all the time to ask, or well, each time he's going to develop new questions to get to know better what is the prompt about and be able to refine it. So first prompt proposition he's making is develop a marketing strategy for your Etsy shop to increase sales and reach wider audience. And then the question are, what is the product you're selling on Etsy? What is your target audience? What is the current marketing approach you're having? How you measure it? Look how I answer, and this also is to save you a bit of time. You don't need to write perfect sentences to answer his questions, but just go in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he's going to understand. Well, going from the answers I gave him, he revised the prompt and he gave me this prompt. Develop a marketing strategy for your Etsy shop that specializes in astrology art frames as a birthday gift. Your current marketing approach includes paid ads on Etsy and social media, and your monthly sales are your main success metric. Your marketing budget is $50 per month. So we just paste the prompt in another ChatGPT chat and let's run it. But just before, I would like to add an extra, and is to ask ChatGPT to act as a specific role, to give it a bit more of weight. So in this case, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to act as a highly skilled online marketer. And here how it goes.
A few moments later.
Well, so here ChatGPT gave us some strategy and tactics to put in place for our shop. And here ChatGPT says, with these marketing tactics in place, you should start to see an increase in sales and brand awareness for your astrology art frames. Don't forget to keep testing and refining your marketing approach to optimize your results over time. I think that this is pretty good. Well, I hope with this you will be able to save way much more time and get better results with your prompts. And as always, I got some bonus for you guys. I found a Google Chrome extension that has more than 2000 super optimized and customizable prompts for ChatGPT. It's super easy to use and very useful. And if you want to know what this extension is about, how to install it, which kind of prompt it has, and how to get the most out of it, I advise you to watch the video that is going to appear on the top right corner of your screen. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell notification, and let's get better with AI every day. Peace.